For sandwich lovers out there, ito para sa inyo. Hit na hit ngayon ang Korean egg drop sandwiches. Kaya, let's start cooking! At dahil sandwich yung gagawin natin, kailangan natin ng bread. Ito siya galing sa aking friend sa Quiapo Born and Bred Bakery. Special bread. Gagawin natin, isa-slice natin. So, brioche to siya. Gagawa tayo ng 3. And because egg drop siya, magluluto tayo ng itlog 3 ways. Yung ends niya, we will trim off the crust. And what we do here, ito siya. Each piece of bread, we will slice in the middle kasi we will insert our filling here, di ba? Ito siya, I am using salted butter. So, dapat salted butter para malasa. And I'm spreading it. Very generous yung aking paglagay ng aking butter. And ito, we will toast our bread. Sizzle, no? May sizzle na siya. Pero bantayan naman natin yung init na hindi naman siya masunog agad, no? So, gagawin natin yung ating mayo dressing. Very simple. Meron tayong Japanese mayo. Meron tayong condensed milk for a bit of sweetness. And tomato ketchup. Pwede ding sriracha if you want it to be spicier. So, I will just put around 2 tablespoons of my tomato ketchup and mix, mix, mix. Blend, blend, blend. We are done. Next natin, gagawa tayo ng egg salad. Box grater. And ito, meron tayong hard-boiled eggs. Very easy to grate. Di ba? Hindi mo kailangan i-chop-chop. Grate lang. And very simple. And balik natin sa ating bowl. And we will add our Japanese mayo. Season with salt. Dapat may salt para may lasa. And pepper. And we will add a bit of spring onions for freshness. Yung aking next recipe, gagawa tayo ng eggs, fried eggs, no? Over easy. So, ibig sabihin over easy, yung ating sunny side up, babalik ta rin natin para cook on both sides. Toasting beautifully. Look at that. Bantay-bantay lang tayo ng konti. Oh, wow. Perfect. Ang init. Ang init pala. 2 eggs. And of course, season your eggs. And I will prepare my next recipe for my egg drop is my scrambled eggs with cheese. Milk. Around 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon per egg. Yan. And aking eggs are ready to be flipped. Yan. Over easy. Yan ang over easy. And put it aside. Yan. Silipin muna natin yung ating beautiful, no? So, perfect. Hello mga ka-Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. So, we are going to make hotel-style scrambled eggs. So, ito siya, di ba, yung aking eggs na may milk. Aking pan is warm but not hot. So, paglagay ko sa aking eggs, look at that. Hindi siya naluluto agad. And I will just add like a teaspoon or 2 of butter. Keep on mixing with our butter. Slow cooking. Hinay-hinay lang na luto. But what I will do today, I will add a bit of cheese. Ito, melting cheese lang to. Yan. Then, lagyan natin ng pa-parsley ng konti para sosyal na sosyal yung ating eggs. Look at that. And black pepper. And we're done. Naalala nyo kanina yung ating mayo with a bit of condensed milk and ketchup or hot sauce. Let's make one first. Unang-una kong gagawin ang aking scrambled eggs. Look at that. Perfect. Wow, ang bango ng cheese. Oh, wow, look at that, no? Wow, look at that one. And, ito siya. Ang ating over easy. If you want it sunny side up, pwede ding sunny side up. But, you have to be sure to eat it right away. Or else, it's going to drip all over you. 2. And our egg salad. And ito siya. Titikman ko yung egg salad version. Doc, pasensya, Doc. Sige. Trabaho lang. I'm sure natatakam kayo kaya gawa na kayo ng inyong own version of ating Korean egg drop sandwiches. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!